The first song in your IG music defines your emotional state. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours and it's better to go to trending. So once you are here, you have to click until you find the desired sticker, and as you can see here I only have viral stickers and you can check these too. So there we have it. From here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, once you are here you have to go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one right here. And from here you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. And after that you have to go to stickers from the top of the screen and then search for music and select the fourth song. So in my case it's this one. Click on the done button from the right top corner and you can place your song where you want. So after that you have to share it to your story. And that's it. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.